Do your legs feel heavy, swollen, or tingly when you wake up in the morning? Maybe your feet and ankles look a little puffy by the end of the day. Poor circulation in the legs is very common for seniors, and it can make everything feel harder. The wonderful news is that you can improve your circulation right now, without even leaving your bed. These 4 gentle exercises take just a few minutes and will leave your legs feeling alive and refreshed. Exercise 1 is called the ankle pump. An elderly woman lying on her back in bed points her toes away from her body, then flexes them back toward her face, pulling them up as far as comfortable. She repeats this slow pumping motion steadily and rhythmically. An old woman doing ankle pumps in bed with morning sunlight coming through the curtains shows how peaceful this exercise feels. Do this 20 times without stopping. Breathe slowly and steadily throughout. This simple movement acts like a pump, pushing blood up from your feet and back toward your heart. Exercise 2 is the knee bend and straighten. A senior man lying flat on his back in bed slowly slides his right heel toward his body, bending his knee gently. He then slides it back out until his leg is straight again. A senior man doing this slow sliding movement in bed shows how gentle and effortless it truly is. Do 10 repetitions on each leg. Only bend as far as feels comfortable for your knee. Breathe in as you bend, breathe out as you straighten. This movement wakes up the large muscles of your thighs and gets blood flowing through your entire lower leg. Exercise 3 is the leg circle. An elderly woman lying on her back in bed lifts her right leg a few inches off the mattress and draws 5 slow, small circles in the air with her foot. She then reverses and draws 5 circles in the opposite direction. A senior woman smiling while doing gentle leg circles shows how freeing this movement feels. Lower your leg and repeat on the left side. Keep your movement slow and relaxed. This exercise activates the hip and thigh muscles that play a vital role in healthy leg circulation throughout the day. Exercise 4 is the legs up the wall rest. An old woman lying in bed scoots close to the headboard and rests both legs up against it, letting gravity gently drain the fluid back down from her legs. She rests her hands softly on her stomach and breathes deeply. A senior woman lying with her legs elevated against a wall in a bright, peaceful bedroom shows how restorative this position truly is. Stay here for 2 to 3 minutes. Breathe slowly and let your whole body relax completely. This is one of the most powerful and effortless things you can do for swollen, tired legs. You have done something genuinely healing for your body today. A senior couple walking together outside in warm morning sunlight shows what strong, healthy legs can carry you toward. Every gentle movement you make brings more life and energy into your body. You deserve to feel light, strong, and free. Keep showing up for yourself every single morning. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.